Hi and welcome to my new video. And in this video I'm going to show you my custom-made watch box that contains 6 places for 6 watches, has some storage place over here, has a lock so it's lockable, and has a hygrometer over here which shows you the level of humidity, and also has a drawer over here for your watch straps, buckles, and all of the other bits and pieces for your watch hobby. Once you unlock the watch storage box, there is the 6 places for my watches over here. So all of them, I have the sponges for the watches to be held in at their corresponding places. Over here I've left some place for my tools that I use. So this is the silicone gel or silica gel balls that are here for excess of humidity, so to take care of it. Over here I have some spring bar tools, I have the screwdriver, and I bought these plastic containers of the eBay so I can put things like this. So these are the end links for one of my watches. I believe this is the Seiko 6139, and I've decided to go with that to hold it. Over here I have the very simple hinges, and as you can see, this wood varnishing is not such a complicated, and the initial idea to make this watch box was for my friend, not for me. He started to work with some woods and got himself a CNC machine and stuff like that. So he asked me, I know you're into watches, so do you want me to make your watch box so I can practice myself using the machines and all that. So what you see here, it's not some fancy wood, it's just the wood he had his hands on, so scrap wood, and he made this. In the bottom left corner he used this CNC machine, and I've sent him this design or this logo, since this resembles my channel, and these are my initials with the watch dial on the outer design of this logo. In the bottom section of this watch box there is the space for a drawer, and he left it. I asked him to do that since he was making this watch box. I have done some of the sketches in the Google SketchUp, and I've sent him to so just he could have some representation of idea what I want. And he made this drawer also, which I asked for, and as you can see is implemented in the case itself. So no hinges, no rails to hold it when it's sliding. It's not necessary. Simple drawer, not to be used very often, just when I'm changing my straps. And as you can see, it has a much storage place, so there's the room for you to maneuver and use this excess space. Over here I have my silica gel just to extrude all of the extra moisture, but as you can see, and this instrument is showing, the humidity level is quite significant. I don't know why, but I didn't put it there to check, and it's just a fancy thing that I like to have on my hands. So that would be all regarding this simple video and a simple toolbox. I believe it's great. I like it very much, and I use it. I swap my watches, and it's nice to have your watches all in one place. That was another video on my channel. Please leave a like and subscribe if you are into watch related content. So thank you.